Good morning, students. Today's our class is English grammar. Okay, yesterday we learned what is noun and other types of nouns. If we just recall, I shall tell you that what is a noun? A noun is a naming word, person, places, objects, and other living beings and ideas. And there were types of noun. First, we learned countable noun for how many, the things which can be counted. Second is uncountable noun, the things which easily cannot be counted. Types of noun: proper noun, common noun, abstract noun, material noun, collective noun. Okay, so these were the nouns we learned yesterday. Today we will go through the exercise. Let's do. Given below is a passage about some insects that are not harmful. Okay, we have to read this passage, and we have to identify the types of noun, especially common noun and proper noun. On page number 10, see, on the page number 10, the columns are given about common noun and proper noun. So, after reading and learning this chapter, we have to fill up separate the common nouns and proper nouns from this paragraph. Okay, so let's read the first paragraph. Hi, I am Sangeeta Basak. So, C S is a capital, okay, and it is the name of a proper person. So, Sangeeta Basak is a proper noun. Sangeeta Basak is a proper noun. I would like to talk to you about helpful insects in your garden. So, I would like to talk to you about, Sangeeta Basak is telling, I would like to talk to you about helpful insects in your garden. So, insects, the word insects, it is a common noun. It is written, it is not written. And remember, always a proper noun is written with a capital letter. Okay? A proper noun is always written with a capital letter. So, I is a small, and garden. Insects and garden, they both are common noun. Insects and garden, they both are common noun. Most people are either indifferent to or scared of insects and pets. Okay, people. People is a common noun. Insects, already we saw the further, again it is a common noun. See, the words which are repeated that you are not supposed to write down in. Just to know your knowledge, I say insects, again it is a common noun. Pets, it is a common noun. Okay? But do you know all insects are not harmful and therefore should not be called pets? Okay? They are not harmful and should not be called pests. In fact, some of the pets that I am going to talk about here are very helpful. They offer you a lot of help with gardening. If you love your garden, you should wait for these insects to invade it. Okay, garden, insects, these words are repeated. My friend Dia does a lot of gardening in Pritampur in Bihar. See, friend is a common noun. The word friend is a common noun. See, Dia, a name of a person. It is written with a capital D. So, Dia is a proper noun. Does a lot of gardening in Pritampur. Pritampur again written with a capital P. So, it is a proper noun. In Bihar. Okay, so Bihar, B is written with a capital, so it is a proper noun. She and her sister Ria have a big garden. Sister, S. small, it is a common noun. Riya, capital R, Riya is a capital R, so it is a proper noun. Riya is a proper noun. The garden word is repeated again, so it is a common noun. They supply flowers, vegetables and fruits to Arani supermarket. Okay, flowers, common noun. Vegetables, common noun. Fruits, common noun. Arani supermarket, see, Arani is A and supermarket S is written with capital letters, so it is a proper noun. The last time we met, she told me certain things about helpful insects which I am going to share with you. Okay, so we have completed first paragraph. We have identified the common and proper noun. The second paragraph. The beautiful spotted ladybugs eat plant lice, a seriously harmful pest for your plants in your garden. Ladybugs, it is a common noun. Eat plants, lice, lice is again a common noun. A seriously harmful pests for your plants in your garden. Garden word is repeated again. The lacewings feed on caterpillars, moth eggs, mites and thrips. Okay, so again the lacewings, common noun. Caterpillars, there are so many caterpillars. Okay, so it is again a common noun. Eggs, common noun. Mites, okay, common noun. And thrips, it is a common noun. Though hoverflies look exactly like wasps and bees, they are very different from them. Hoverflies, again it is a common noun. Wasps, common noun. And bees, so these are the common nouns. They are very different from them. They too feed on insects and insects' eggs and help one obtain bigger and juicier raspberries and strawberries. So raspberries and strawberries both are the common noun. So we have completed the second paragraph. Let's go further to the third paragraph. Because Diya and Riya, in the first paragraph we saw the name of Diya and Riya. They are proper noun. Have made gardening their profession. They have to be careful. They don't like to use a lot of chemical paste. Chemical, it is a common noun. Replant, because that is harmful for harvest. They therefore depend on the harmless friendly insects. The long-legged biggish ground beetles and garden spiders. Beetles, common noun. Okay, beetles is a common noun. And garden spiders, spiders is again a common noun. Really like to feed on insects that seriously harm vegetables. Okay, that seriously harm vegetables. Okay, so this was our today's class. Let's do, and you have to write down this common noun and proper noun in your textbook, page number 10. Okay, in this table, as well as you have to complete and identify the proper and common noun in your notebook too. Okay, in this lesson I have not used the pen. When I send you the video, I shall send you with the answers. Okay, so have a good day and thank you to all.